Oh no! It looks like my Revelli tripod that I've been using for over 4 years YouTubing has finally broke. Yeah, the leg finally broke off. I need to replace this. Amazon Basics 60-inch lightweight tripod with tripod bag. Here's the bag that it comes with. A nice carry-all bag, nylon with zippered. Let's see what's the tripod. Looks pretty nice. Off the bat, man, this is kind of big, guys. A lot bigger than what I'm used to. Here you see the metallic silver finish, Amazon Basics logo on the side. Let me probably sit this and we'll go through the details of it. Alright, here it is, guys. So in its shortest state, it measures about 25 inches to an extendable height of 60 inches. Weighs roughly 2.7, right under 3 pounds. The swivel head with a nice handle. You got 360-degree swivel and also rotating along the Z-axis. And then you have these screws that you can use to mount camera, smartphone, anything like that, adapters. Different settings where you can change the angle. Anything you expect from a tripod. This feels like it's nicely made, guys. You got the level that's included here. Make sure you take a level video or photograph. And also another level right there, which I didn't come to expect. Very nice, very nice. I'm pretty much impressed already. Very nice finish and look. Especially on the bottom, what you want to check for is these easily comes off. Like for example, my Revelli, all of mine came off. You can't really notice. I'm not trying to diss Revelli or anything like that, but you know, that's just a cheaper model, like twice less expensive. You can tell the craftsmanship of the Amazon Basics is definitely more quality built. Go ahead and extend the legs out. I'll show you guys how tall it gets. It's got a clamped end for easy locking. Similarly with the other two legs. And this has a hook in here. They get, you know, like to store some type of anything you could hook onto the end. This is what this crank is for. I love this crank right here. You can crank it up. So cool to use. To its maximum 60-inch capacity. And that's how much higher it reaches. I'm not sure I really will ever need that high, but at least I know that it has the capability of doing so. Wow, what an amazing, gorgeous day today is. No rain, partly sunny, almost 60 degrees. And I made it to the beach to get some proper videos for you guys. Alright guys, so I have my tripod properly set up right here. Notice the surface is not even, so that's where the legs come in handy. See it bending right there to adjust to the angles. So we're gonna go over the buttons right here. This is the one where you're gonna loosen. You can turn it 360 degrees. You tighten it to the position that you want to remain stable right there. And this is the tilt one that you loosen by turning counterclockwise. You tilt it up or down. Tighten it by turning it clockwise. Alright, and this one is to when you loosen this, it provides this angle that you can change on this axis right here. So in case just tilt it so you can make it even, tighten it by turning it clockwise. Similarly, this one is to make it go up, like I mentioned before. Pretty awesome. Everything that you want is all included in this design. An awesome package for an affordable price too. I'm really impressed with this guy, really impressed. The only downside is this is pretty big, but sometimes, you know, the official tripods that professional use are pretty big.